Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. So, Bitcoin sell-off continues, getting below our key level 9,500. We had the major cluster there all the way down to 9,482. Once you saw it drop through there, you could have updated to this pausing bar, which then gave you the 94.31 and the 92.62, which we have not hit the 92.62. With this extended correction, I'm coming all the way down to 92.62 right now. And we're going to be watching key resistance coming into this little shelf in the declining rotation zone, so 96.50. Then we would be watching this prior breakdown zone you see right here, and the top of the rotation zone. I'm just going about 9,900 to 9,930 as a key resistance. Breaking, if we rotate back down below 93.44, now we have a major cluster of 91.50 area. 91.50 is going to be very, very key. Then below 91.50, we're looking at 89.40 area. So those are your key areas I'd really pay attention to. Is 91.50 based off the 4-hour chart. Switching over to the daily chart. Daily chart, what do we have here? So, key resistance on the daily chart, we're watching, again, that 9930, and then the rotation zone right now is 10,167, so about 10,150 is the key resistance on the daily on any rally. Sort of looks like momentum is waning right here. We are finally in RSI oversold condition. That doesn't mean you have to rally, but it means we better be prepared in case we get a nice reversal bar or a further divergence, or a bottoming pattern. So that's what we'll be watching for over the next little bit. Switching over to Ethereum, we did get a divergence here, this 4-hour chart. So we have lower low in price action, slightly higher low in the RSI. I think it was 10.9 to this one was 12.3. So you have higher low right there. And key resistance now coming in about 173.60. And then if we rally above that, we'll be watching for 179.25 and then 183.03 to the upside. Still, our downside targets have not been hit. 160, 171, and 157 are the major targets. But this is definitely running out of momentum, and it's been in oversold condition. Let's check in on the daily chart. So daily chart also, we have a lower low here in price action on the daily chart, and it looks like we might be making a higher low on the RSI. So we'll pay attention to it because we might get a divergence on the daily chart, which would give us a double divergence on 4-hour, divergence on daily, and then we'd really start watching for the bigger retracement. Based off the daily chart, I'd be watching for it to come back to the 25% retracement area and this prior support shelf as the rotation zone declines. So the key area I'll be watching on the daily chart is 183. That's going to be the very key area. And if we did get through there, I'd be watching 192.50 area right here, which will converge with the top of the rotation zone. So we have for you in Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.